Hey, it's Haplin, and in this module, I'm going to show you how to schedule automated reports inside of HighLevel. The way we're going to do this is actually to click into Agency View, and then from Agency View, we want to go to Sub-Accounts and then find the sub-account for which we want to generate the report. So in this example, I already have a schedule set up, but I'll just click Edit, and for you, if you're doing this for the first time, you would see a page that looks like this, where you can set up the report and customize it. If you scroll this page, you can explore a little bit more about all the different metrics that can currently be included in reports. We're always coming out with more, so it may look a little bit different for you right now than it does for me in this video. But the main two that make the most sense as a starting place for something following the paid ads playbook, some kind of lead generation strategy, could just be conversations, number of unread conversations, as well as contacts. So if I just click select all, then I can deselect all and add conversations and contacts. Depending on the rest of my sales pipeline, I might also want to include submissions. That's actually a great idea because it's got Facebook lead forms in there, as well as perhaps something like appointments. And that's looking pretty good. So I'll go ahead and pull up to the top and click next. And now what I can do is customize the way the report will actually look. And here on this page, I can actually customize the look of the email that we'll send with the report. So the subject line I can customize, and then the frequency, the cadence on which it sends, I can change that from daily to weekly to monthly. I can choose a date for it to start. So for example, let's choose tomorrow, and I can choose any time of day when I want it to send. So I'll set this up at 9 a.m. Next, we can control the recipients who we want to receive this email. You can select anybody who is a user in that sub account. So if you see an email, or if you don't see an email that you wanted to include, you just have to make sure that user is assigned in that sub account, and then they'll show up here. You can also fill out the test email field and send a test in order to just test it, send it to yourself really quick so you know exactly what it's going to look like when it goes out to your team, your client, whoever it is who's going to be seeing the report. And that's that. As long as you have at least one recipient, you'll be able to hit save, and voila, your report has been scheduled and will be automated to send at that time of day, at that cadence, as you have set it up, until you tell it to pause or cancel. So that's a super powerful and just really easy way to just make sure the key stakeholders know what's going on inside of the sub account, how a campaign is going, how a sales system is really operating. Now that you understand the report scheduler, you can go ahead and move on to the next module.
Properties.